Beautiful, bright interior, dual opposing slides, center island kitchen. You'll notice a pantry, loft up top, excellent bedroom and bathroom space, plus great construction, including auto level and Asdel composite. Folks, this is the 2021 Tandara 386MB-OK. This is one of the newest lines from Forest River, the Tandara line, and personally, I think they came out swinging. I love a lot of stuff that they have done, and I think you're going to like it too. And the coolest thing about it is, we get to kind of compare and contrast. We talk a little bit about different styles when it comes to family fifth wheels, and we talk about different mid-bunks. This, again, is a different mid-bunk setup than what we saw before. Now, some things you will see are very similar, like right back here is your sofa. So, excellent sofa, but what you'll notice is this one is a 3-cushion. Nice big sofa there, folded out. It creates a big bed, a little bit smaller nightstands, but that makes sense because we have the bigger sofa. Allure furniture in here, so it's upgraded furniture. It cleans up nice and easily, very comfortable. Of course, electrical outlets and USB ports on both sides. Now, if we take a look right here, you will see your theater seating, and that is across the entertainment center. Now, I'll show you a little something when we go over there because, again, it is a little bit different. But here you go. Both of these kick up, can pop back, relax, and as I mentioned, you have a direct shot to the entertainment center. Rather than, the other one is a little bit of an angle, but here, if we whip it around, take a look at this, right? Big TV in this one. I mean, big TV. So, if you want to be able to watch TV kind of from anywhere, whether you're cooking, sitting in theater seats, laying down on the couch, this gives you the ability to do that. Storage right up top here. It is strut supported, so it's easy one-hand operation. I should have cleaned that up a little bit better. Sorry, guys. But easy one-hand operation to lift that up. I like the glass on here, too. It's frosted, a little bit decorative. I think it looks really nice. Underneath, if we can pop this open, you can take a look. So a little bit of additional storage plus your multimedia center right there. Speakers on both sides. Big fireplace right down underneath, which of course will help take the chill off in this main space. But what you'll notice is this sticks out a little bit further, and we will see why when we go outside. Right here is your freestanding table and chair. So again, I like having freestanding table when you have more of a higher end, a little bit higher scale fifth wheel. And you have plenty of others sleeping in here. You really don't need the dinette, in my opinion. We'll see in a little bit. Of course, we have a mid-bunk, we have the loft, excellent sleeping, plus that big tri-fold in the back. I say leave it just as it is, and it looks great. And don't let me forget to mention this. You have marine-grade flooring in here, folks, and this is absolutely wonderful. It cleans up extremely easy, gets rid of all that carpet right there. Wonderful job. Making our way to the kitchen, and again, I love the color they have chosen for this solid surface. It's a nice bright white. They have a couple dark accents in here, but I like that for the most part, it is very bright. That's a big thing for me. I like, bright with just a few pops of, a little bit darker tones, and I'm glad they went with a lighter countertop. I think a darker one would have been way overkill, but allow them to do things like have your oil rub bronze pulls. Good storage here, underneath. Take a look at this. Whoops. There we go. There it is. So, got a pull-out trash can. Hung up a little bit on me there, but you have a pull-out trash can. I like that you have a dedicated spot for it. Now, I think that it needs to be a little bit different size trash can. That one might be slightly big for it. Wasn't working quite the best, but again, I love the fact that you have a spot for it. You don't have to try to hunt a spot down. And because they have it over to the side, what you'll see is it opened all of this up for storage, right? Instead of just having big empty space, this is much more usable space for pots, pans, things like that. Because it's a solid surface, it allows you to undermount the stainless steel sink. You'll have the rollover cover right here, drying rack, prep space, high-rise faucet, more countertop space over here. Full backsplash all the way across, electrical outlet. I would have preferred the electrical outlet were over here, but you can drag a cord back here easy enough, plug it in, no problems there. 3-burner cooktop there, oven down underneath, drawer space. I mean, great storage all throughout this kitchen. And then you get over here, you open this guy up, boom. Nice big fridge freezer. This one does run off both propane and electric, has automatic switchover for you, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't have shore power, great, run it on propane. Now you may be thinking, okay, well this goes into the bonus room or the bunk room. Wrong, you have more storage. Fixed shelves on one side, adjustable shelves on the other side, nice and easy to adjust those. If you want to take them out and have like a little spot to hang jackets, you can do that. Storage up top there as well. And then when we come around to the side, control panel located here. Thermostat, max air fan. I forgot to mention that. There is a max air fan in the kitchen, which will do a great job of circulating the air in case you don't want to run the AC. Making our way into the bunk room here, the bonus room. You can see, again, you have the sofa right down underneath. This does fold down, 300-pound weight capacity on that. Now, it's not super long, so an adult would have to curl up a little bit, but the fact it is 300 pounds is pretty great. And then more storage here. And once again, this is adjustable. If you want to take it out, you have hanging space. If you want to leave it in there for folded clothes, you can do that. A spot for a TV and a pop-up desk, all located right here. As we take a walk here up the steps, notice a couple different things, and that one will be a grab handle, makes it easy to come up, ladder, and once again, we'll have the big loft up top, safety rail to make sure that no one's falling out. Last thing in the world we want is for someone to get hurt. And then if we take a look at the bathroom, come on in, come on in. Couple things to show you. Porcelain bowl, super simple. Over to this side, take a look at that countertop space, folks. Big countertop right there. I love that I have all the extra space for, curling iron or hair dryer, whatever else you need. Storage both down below and medicine cabinet up top. As far as space, you can see here, I have plenty of room. I can spin all the way around. You have the shelves and a seat. And the important thing about this shower, folks, is that this is all a one-piece shower. That's a residential construction shower, which means less chance for any kind of leaks. And as we all know, water is the enemy of RVs, so preventing leaking is definitely a good thing. Coming into the bedroom, you have the nice big bed there, slide-out bed. You will also see wardrobe up front here. They have a hanging rod going all the way across, a couple lights right in here. These are motion sensors, so you can turn those on if you want. And this one also has washer dryer prep right up front. So if you want that, you do have it. Drawers down below, TV hookup. It's got it all, folks. And the cool thing about this is you can pick this one up starting at $57,195, which is as little as $13.70 a day. If you're interested, simply text RV to 46642. And as I said, there are a lot of different mid-bunk units, a lot of different family fifth wheels that are out there. If you want some help narrowing it down, which I highly do recommend, folks, you can text FRESH to that same number, that 46642, because we have over 20,000 units available right now, with more than 80,000 coming straight from the factory. They are brand spanking new. We have more inventory coming in than a lot of dealerships will ever have in 2-3 years. I mean, it's insane how much inventory we have coming, folks. Making our way right to around the back, couple different things I want to show. One is right down below. That is not just a 2-inch receiver. You can absolutely use it for accessories like a bike rack, totes, things like that. But more importantly, that is actually a hitch. That's a 3,000-pound hitch. So you'll see it has a flat 4 on there. If you have like a trailer or something you want to pull behind with like a golf cart on it, if your state allows you to have the trailer behind it, that is an excellent option right there. You can also see the ladder to climb up on the fully walkable roof. Of course, backup camera prep right there, making our way back up. Lots of features. Spray port if you want water outside. You will see the awning right here, but you have not one but 2 awnings, which basically cover this entire campsite. So plenty of awning coverage. One of my favorite parts, there it is, the fridge. What you'll notice is they actually moved this on an angle, and they did that for a reason, because that way you can open it. If it was straight, it would hit. I mean, and I know that seems minor, but sometimes it's minor things like that that I pay attention to, because that means the manufacturer is paying attention as well. And if they're paying attention to something as small as this, they're going to pay attention to a lot bigger things like construction, like using Asdel composite. I told you that water is one of the worst enemies of an RV. Asdel in the sidewall right here doesn't absorb moisture. So that's a big deal. You won't get those bubbles. You won't get that delamination. Big storage out here. You know, cooktop, check this out. Boom, pull out griddle. I don't know about you, I don't use a cooktop out here a ton. I use a grill or I use a griddle, and I love having a griddle right there. Can bring my grill with me. There's a propane quick connect down underneath. pop it in nice and quick for you. Making our way up, of course, aluminum alloy wheels. These are Lion's Head tires too, which is good because you get the lifetime warranty on there. Well, depending on certain things, but just know that there's basically a 5-year warranty on the ST tires, which is a really good warranty to be on there, especially for RVs. You will see your solid steps on the way in, aluminum tread, grip tape. You also have the grab handle for some added control going in and out. And as I said, right there it is, folks, Asdel. They put that in the sidewalls. It's not a cheap thing to put in, but man, oh man, is it worth it. That second big awning, speakers. This I think is really cool too. You have extra storage. It's kind of separated from the main storage area. And there's an electrical outlet in here. So for me, right, I think it's always wise, and if you don't do it now, you'll definitely want to bring some tools with you when RVing. There's simple things you'll have to fix. It's just like anything else. There's simple things that'll go wrong. You know, you have some plumbing in there, you have all sorts of stuff. You need some screwdrivers. You might want to drill. Well, here you can plug all that right in. I can plug my drill in. I can have the batteries charging. Making it up a little bit further is the rest of our garage storage. We have TV, satellite hookup right there, 30-pound propane tank here, another one on the other side, auto level on here. You know, just touch a button, it levels everything out, and you have a full convenience on the other side as well. This one is capable of 4-season camping. All of your valves are insulated on the other side there. Has everything you need for winterization. I'm telling you folks, this is an awesome mid-bunk unit. And you can see how different it was from the one before. And we have more coming up later in the show. And so as you can see, there's a lot of differences when you're talking about family fifth wheels. Let us help you out. Just text FRESH to that 46642. Call 877-297-8725 or drop FRESH in the comments section below to lock in your pricing on any of the units you're seeing here at the show to make sure you're getting the best deal the safest way possible.